I'm back, guys. It's been 10 months. Welcome back to the Blue Garage. My name is Greg. Don't have Big Blue anymore. I got the ZR2. Hit a year old just 2 days ago. So I'm gonna welcome you back to the channel by giving you a quick little 1 year walk around of the truck and go over some of the plans that I have for the build. On the truck, what I did is I changed out the stock emblems. Has to be black. As you know, on Big Blue, I did a complete chrome delete. I cannot stand chrome. So first thing, black emblems were a must. The ZR2, the 6.2 on the hood. On the back side, we got the Silverado, the ZR2, and the bow tie, of course. I will, and what I have planned is all black wheels, of course. Whenever I go, my goal is to fit 37s on. Whenever I do that, I'm gonna throw 17-inch rims on there. Same setup, a lot similar to what I had on Big Blue. I wanna be able to wrap the buttons here too. Pretty quick, easy process. I'll have a video made for that later on where I wrap that matching the door handle. I have the Shorty antenna, found it on Amazon. Quick, easy product to install, guys. And up here, I have ideas of what I want to do. I had the black bow tie on Big Blue. I want to do the same here. Now, whether I wrap it or paint it or order a product from a company that makes an all black flow tie for the ZR2, I will do that. Last but not least, getting rid of the ZR2 with the color up front. Maybe I put a little blue accent on it. Get in the comments below, let me know if you think I should do it or not. All black, no more chrome. That's the goal, guys. A few things going on down here if we look underneath. Here we got the AWE Bash Guard exhaust. As you see, dual exhaust out the back, dropping down just on either side of my spare tire. Sounds amazing, aggressive tone, not overbearing as far as drones. The drone in the interior goes. Love it. Wouldn't have it any other way. Wish I had an install video for you guys. As you know, I've been gone, I've been busy. So I'll just get into the actual product review, and that I definitely recommend the AWE exhaust. Coming up here, one of my previous videos, I have the Backflip MX4 tri-fold tonneau cover, hard tonneau cover, holds up to 300 pounds on top of it. So keeps your stuff secure on the inside. Nobody's gonna break into it. And if they do, they're gonna do some severe damage, obviously, to your truck and to the tonneau cover. If they wanna work that hard, that's on them. That's all for the exterior. Let's get to under the hood. All right, now coming under the hood, guys, I have the cold air inductions, cold air intake. As you see, I'm rocking their shirt right now. In the back, we have the Air-Aid throttle body spacer. Gives it a little bit more speed going in, the air, a little more speed going into that intake manifold. In the future, plans are, I want to put the still-in ram air intake up here, replacing this little plastic stock piece. And if Edge Products ever makes it, my goal is to put on my favorite product that I had on Big Blue, and that was the Pulsar LT. Got to delete that DFM, that AFM. No need for that on these trucks anymore. Time to shut it off permanently. Also adjusting your tire size, your PSIs, all that to your new setup. Edge Products, make this. Come on, we are all asking. Coming to the interior, and in here, all I've done on the interior is just add to the tray. So Chevy gives you this little tray. Nice for organization, sure. However, on Amazon, they make a bigger tray that fits directly underneath. Covers up the whole interior of your center console, allows you to charge your devices, still doesn't block any of the outlets, and the stock tray sits right on top. Pretty nice, pretty neat and organized. Makes those long trips much easier because everything is right where you need it. As far as the interior goes, I haven't done anything to the interior like I did on Big Blue because there isn't any wood grain, there isn't any chrome in here. I really like the setup already, so we'll see. I may come up with some ideas down the road, but as of right now, that's all I got for the interior. So let's hop out. So a year after owning the truck, I don't have a name for it yet. I haven't had a name over the last year. Big Blue was a name my daughter came up with for the Trail Boss. So get in the comments below, let me know what you guys think a good name is for this truck. Let me know what ideas you have for your own trucks, and some ideas for me. Maybe you'll light a light bulb up there for me, give me some ideas to do to the truck. Before you leave, do not forget to hit that subscribe button and that like button. It helps the channel grow. It's amazing. Over the last, 10 months, we've gained over 500 followers or subscribers, and I haven't posted one thing on Instagram, haven't posted anything on YouTube. So thank you. It lets me know that you guys want to see me continue to work on my build and share it with you guys. I look forward to what's to come, guys. Take care.